Okay guys, this is Uno signing in once again in YouTube, and of course it's another tutorial, Uno tutorial. So let's start. The title of my tutorial, actually guys, is very interesting, so watch. The title of my tutorial is Uno tutorial, Yahoo Booters Twin Domination Y Supra plus BC Sinks plus BC Monster Part 1. So it's actually not twin BC domination, it's actually triple BC domination. Okay, so let's start. Okay, first you must open your BC Sinks. I already opened it, and what you want to do is, okay, change client to Paul, like this one, and find the necessary client. Okay, I'm using Y Supra because that's the title of my tutorial. Okay, then Y Supra, open, okay, change client to Paul. Then next thing is you must spawn the client. So spawn the client, and again find the necessary client, which is Y Supra. Okay, please pay attention very carefully. Okay, so I may not repeat this to you. If you have missed anything, so please the YouTube and post it and come back to it again. Okay, so then choose the Supra and open it, and of course, as you know, it will open. Okay, because we have already spawned the client, so it will open. Okay, let's just wait. Let's just wait. Okay, there it goes. It's open. There it goes. Okay. Now you must choose an ID. Okay, and you must open a BC Monster. So you must choose an ID. So let's choose an ID, and I will choose what? Let me choose something. Okay, I'm choosing what? Okay, choosing BC Stop. Okay, here it is. So choose an ID. Okay, then okay, next thing is find the room. Then find the room. Okay, and choose the room. Okay, watch very carefully guys. Okay, watch very carefully. Then you choose a particular room, and I'm choosing what? I'm choosing Metro Manila Barkada what? Choosing Metro Manila Barkada 4. Choose 4. Then join. Okay. Alright. FJS FFF and join. And there it goes. It has a VC. Okay. You have a triple BC domination. Okay. As you can see, let's see this guy. And there are a lot of guys using the BC. Oh, this is perfect timing for us guys. So let's test this one. Okay. As you can see, wait, connected right there. Right there. Oh wait, we forget something. Okay, you must. Okay, let's do this again. Okay, sign out. Sign out. Okay guys, I forgot something. Okay, first you must change some protocol. Okay guys, change the protocol. Go to servers. Okay, and change it to localhost. Sorry guys, localhost, change it, then apply. Okay, first you must do that first. Okay, I forgot that. So okay, we sign in a ID. Okay, when using BC Stop. Okay, and there it goes. Okay, I may have a part 2 of this, so I'm doing this part. I may have a part 2 of this, so after doing that, you select an necessary what? Room. Okay, I'm choosing Metro Manila Barkada 4. There it goes. Let's wait.